Hello, I'm Ellen Bremen. I'm Communication Studies faculty at Highline College, and I'm going to show you the Outcomes Alignment course that I developed in 2016. We've had over 200 part-time and full-time faculty take the course, and I'll also show you how the course dials into assessment, which then can strengthen teaching and learning at Highline, or maybe at your college if this is something that you'd like to replicate. Okay, so the course is designed in modular fashion. I have a Start Here section, which I'll just show you very briefly. I have a series of videos that help faculty identify what they will be seeing in the course. The videos are throughout the course. And here I'm just acclimating learners, faculty, to what some of the terms are that they'll be using in the course, and then how the modules work. From there, you'll notice that go right into the first module, which is on how to construct measurable, clear, student-centered SLOs. You can see that I have my outcomes here, and this Read About It section has a number of different videos. I always tell my learners how much time investment they have in videos, because I know that they can get kind of long sometimes, so I try to keep them very short. This video will be under 5 minutes, the one that I'm doing for you right now. I'll show you a little sampling of one of the videos very quickly.
Okay, so I want to linger just one more moment on alignment here. So now that we've talked about kind of the basics of why you should align, we talked a little more about that at the course level. Let's talk about the benefits of alignment in the big picture.
Okay, so after faculty are finished viewing the various small videos in the course, then they see what they need to do next. So they will be working up to filling out an alignment worksheet so they can assess their own SLOs to see how measurable and student-centered they are. Okay, so I will keep going. Actually, I'm going to jump back to the main module itself so you can see it from a bigger picture perspective. So there are a number of cognitive materials in here that are first. I designed this course based on the theories of educational researchers Kane and Kane. They had a theory of immersion for adult learners. This is where you take learners from cognitive to performance-based practices, and starting with the cognitive materials and taking through immersing them, if you will, through formative and then summative practices. So in the cognitive materials, I have the videos, I have different links to other areas, other institutions, and some checklists, and also, as you can see, some little cheat sheets to get some Bloom's verbs as you're, again, building toward the next section, which is right here in the Write About It section. This is where we start that formative process to build those, to start to assess those SLOs. So here are the next steps. I'll show you, and again, very heavy video in this course.
I'm back.
So this starts to give faculty some insight into what they'll actually be doing, which is to be filling out one of these worksheets. This is an alignment worksheet. I modified it based on a similar Quality Matters worksheet. And this is where you take your course objectives, you take them all the way through assessment, and you fill this out. And then you're able to see if you have an assessment that, let's say students are writing a paper, but your course objective or outcome has the word identify as the verb, then you know if they're writing a paper, they're doing much more than that. So this is where I'm building and helping faculty identify that I'm helping them identify that they will need to construct a higher level outcome with a higher level verb. Okay, so from here, faculty will see a sample alignment worksheet that's all filled in, and then they will go on to the Do It section, which gives them take you to that. Okay, so Do It, this is the summative section where there will be a worksheet that basically is a checklist that summarizes what faculty already learned in the course, and they can check this off, do a quick self-check before they move on to the next section, and then they will fill out their own alignment worksheet and submit this for feedback and review. I will see you in the next video where I will show you the next couple of modules. There are only 3 in this course. So the very first one is SLOs, and then the next one moves on to aligning the SLOs to degree and distribution area outcomes. Okay, see you soon.